Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Bank of Jamaica today held the benchmark rate at 6% per annum. That's despite the fall in the point-to-point inflation rate to 4.7% in January of this year. The Monetary Policy Committee of the BOJ also cited uncertainty in the United States. Both U.S. consumer and producer price inflation accelerated in January of this year. The U.S. Central Bank held its benchmark rate between 4.25 and 4.50% per annum indefinitely. Chairman of AMG Packaging and Paper, Metro Siaga, has announced expansion plans for the 15-year-old entity. Speaking at this week's annual general meeting, he said the first order of business is to find new warehouse space.
And what we are considering is the consolidation of our warehousing into one purpose-built factory, the upgrade of our main piece of equipment, which is our corrugator, and some other small pieces of equipment that would increase our productivity tenfold. So it's really a very specific process. Looking for a space that could hold the corrugator, getting some other equipment around the corrugator is the main focus that we are looking at in 2025.
Despite a dip in sales at the end of the financial year in August 2024, the company recorded profit of $53 million. General Manager Michael Chin says this was mainly due to a reduction in manufacturing costs.
Sourcing our raw materials overseas to get better pricing so that we can offer better products, better pricing to our customers. We've taken on other suppliers other than the ones that we normally use, and they've come. Everybody's now, because of our growth, everybody's reaching out to us now to offer us more of the raw materials that we need.
The JSE index declined by 1,169 points today, while the junior market index declined by 5 points. The 50 winners included T-Tech, Epley 7.25% preference shares, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Caribbean Cream, and One Great Studio. The 41 losers were led by ISP Finance Services, Key Insurance, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Salada Food, and The Lab. 21 stocks traded firm. And at the end of foreign exchange trading, banks and cambios were selling the American dollar for an average $158.18. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $113.37. $198.72 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $165.73. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.
The Business Day.